quench your thirst.
It came out of my nose. Oh my gosh. Okay. What is up, my loves? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to all that are new to my channel. Today I am going to be doing Little Mermaid as Ariana Grande, or Ariana Grande is the Little Mermaid, and I was just like, why not? I think the mixture of the two is just perfect, because I think I even seen something before about Ariana Grande playing as the Little Mermaid before. I don't know, let me know down in the comments. But yeah, you guys, I'm super excited for this video, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, my love, so let's go ahead and get started with this video. So first things first, I created a little mood board. Well, it's not really a mood board, but it's just a reference board of the pictures that I like the most of Ariana Grande and a couple of pictures of the Little Mermaid. And yeah, I decided that I really like this pose. I like the smile, and I decided to take this photo because I liked her eyes here. I could see them a little bit more. So I'm going to be drawing the base of the picture with using this first, and then her eyes in this picture, and then I'm going to give her like the essence of the Little Mermaid hair, but I'm going to be giving her that signature Ariana Grande ponytail. So I think that's really going to bring together the mashup of Ariel from the Little Mermaid and Ariana Grande together. So yeah, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to put this on time lapse, and yeah, I'll probably be talking a little bit through that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with the drawing. Alrighty, you guys, so I think I decided to make this video like a draw and chill with me, so you guys can just sit back, relax, and just watch this process with some nice music in the background. So you guys go ahead and enjoy the video. So now that we're all done with the sketch, let's go ahead and move this over to Procreate and color it digitally. Alrighty, my love, so that was my video. I really hope that you all enjoyed watching the process. As much as I had fun making this, oh my gosh, I did not know it would come out this good. I think it came out pretty well. If you guys like it, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram at Rawsueshii. Give a like and a comment to this post, and leave a comment down below of what you thought of this video and if you'd like to see more videos like this. So yeah, you guys, I've had so much fun doing this video, like, oh my goodness. So thanks so much for watching, and to all that are new to my channel, stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you guys next time. Peace, love, and God bless, my homies. Bye.